Hey everyone, it's Tanner. Before the video starts, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on those notifications, guys. Alright, enjoy the video. It's so relaxing. Just chillin'. Just the three of us. Right, Sonic? Yeah, Tails. I love relaxing. What about you, Mario? Yeah, me too. Oh, Sonic! Who said that? Sonic, did you say that? No, Amy Rose! Wait, who's Amy Rose? Oh. Sonic! Amy! Sonic! Oh, I missed you! Amy Rose, my name is Mario. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Mario.
Do 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 do. What the? Sonic?
Oh, hey, Patrick.
Hey Mario, who's that?
That's Amy Rose, Patrick.
Amy Rose?